Welcome to the best picks. The best potty training is probably one of the most challenging yet rewarding experiences for parents, and doing it in just 3 days might seem impossible, but with the right techniques, patience, and a few helpful products, you can make this transition smoother than you think. This video will guide you through a proven method to achieve this goal, offering tips, tricks, and product reviews to help you every step of the way, turning this potential stressful event into a fun and successful journey for both you and your little one. Number 5. OXO Tot Go Potty. Say goodbye to potty emergencies on the go. It's lightweight and easy to open, so you're always prepared. Smooth surfaces make cleaning a breeze. Just wipe it down and you're ready for your next adventure. Use it on any toilet or as a standalone potty. Its legs lock open securely for stability. The flexible flaps securely hold disposable bags, keeping things clean and simple. Standard plastic bags work perfectly. Fold the legs in for easy storage in your car, stroller, or diaper bag. It's the ultimate space saver. It comes with 3 disposable bags and absorbent pads, plus a handy travel bag. Everything you need is included. What we like? It's compact and perfect for travel. Its smooth surfaces are easy to wipe clean. If you need a potty for on-the-go potty emergencies, this is the one for you. What people say. It works great both as a standalone potty with disposable bags and as a seat on regular toilets. It's sturdy, easy to clean, and quick to set up. It's incredibly easy to set up, sturdy enough for wiggly toddlers, and folds down compactly to fit in the diaper bag or car. This potty chair is the best. I easily throw it in my stroller or car for any occasion where we might not have quick access to a potty during and after potty training with my toddlers. It works well with name brand and off-brand bags, takes 5 seconds to pull out of a bag and get ready for your toddler, and is a breeze to put away. It is collapsible with a thin profile. Number 4. Contours Bravo 3-in-1 Potty System. This innovative potty system adapts to your child's growth, making potty training easier and more comfortable. It's designed for toddlers aged 1 to 3, offering a safe and supportive transition. It starts as a standalone potty, then transitions into a secure toilet trainer seat, and finally, converts into a sturdy step stool. It grows with your child, providing support through every stage. The extra-wide, soft splash guard effectively channels messes into the waste bowl, offering superior protection and easy cleanup. It's removable for convenient cleaning. It securely attaches to most standard adult toilets, thanks to its adjustable design. This ensures a stable and comfortable fit for your child. The base transforms into a reliable step stool, helping your child reach the sink or toilet with confidence. It can even hold up to 200 pounds. Slip-resistant grips provide extra stability and security for your little one, giving them confidence during potty training. It's designed for safety and peace of mind. The removable waste cup and smooth surfaces make cleanup quick and effortless. Keeping it clean is a breeze. Its compact design and convenient carry handle make it ideal for travel. Take it with you wherever you go. What we like? This potty grows with your child, transitioning from a standalone potty to a toilet trainer and finally a step stool. The high splash guard minimizes messes. If you are looking for a versatile and hygienic option, this is your best bet. What people say. It's so well designed for ergonomics. It has a nice rounded back to it for comfort. The insert that comes out to dump urine stool has a little click-in that secures it so little hands don't easily lift it, but it's not difficult for an adult to lift off at all. The best part though is the urine guard, which is a soft rubber silicone feel that has give to it so it can't hurt little one. No messes. It has full coverage for little boys who don't know how to hold down their private yet. The large seat base makes it comfortable for them to sit on. It is very stable and doesn't slide back over time when they sit in it over and over again. The splash guard is soft and large so it really prevents a mess. Number 3. Frida Baby 3-in-1 Potty. It's more than just a potty, it adapts as your child grows, supporting them through every stage of potty training. This versatile potty transforms into a secure toilet topper, making the transition to the big toilet smooth and easy. The soft, sturdy seat ensures a comfortable experience, while the splash guard adds an extra layer of protection. The removable bowl and leak-proof liners make cleaning quick and hassle-free. Say goodbye to messy cleanups. 2 super absorbent liners are included, soaking up spills and making cleanup a breeze. It's designed to make potty training easier for everyone. Once they're ready, it converts into a sturdy step stool, helping your child reach the sink and toilet with confidence. What we like? It transforms from a potty to a toilet topper and step stool, supporting your child through every stage. The soft seat adds comfort. If you prefer a comfortable and adaptable system, consider this one. What people say. This is an awesome little potty with the essentials kit to use with it. We've used it when traveling if there isn't a potty nearby for my child. Also doubles as a stool we can use when staying with friends who don't have kids, and it makes it easier for my child to wash hands, get up on the potty, etc. The versatility is great. Key tool we use for potty training, then having the seat and step was great. A must-have for potty training. Easy to clean. Size was perfect for my 18-month-old. Number 2. Hadley Designs Truck Potty Chart. Potty training doesn't have to be a battle. This chart makes it a game, motivating your little one with fun stickers and rewards. It comes with 10 large charts and plenty of stickers to track progress and celebrate successes. Watch your child's confidence grow. Easily monitor your toddler's potty training journey. The charts make it simple to see how far they've come. The colorful stickers add excitement to each successful potty trip. It's a positive reinforcement system that works wonders. Use it as a sticker chart, advent calendar, or reward system. It's versatile and adaptable to your child's needs. This is the key to successful potty training. This high-quality chart is made right here in the USA. You can trust its durability and vibrant colors. What we like? This reward chart makes potty training fun and engaging for your little one. The stickers provide positive reinforcement. If you want to make potty training a positive experience, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a very cute design for little boys to get them excited for potty training. Lots of pages to use and stickers that come in this pack. There are helpful potty training tips that we keep by the chart and the 4 steps to follow we cut out and put in the bathroom by the potty seat. This chart is so cute and keeps my toddler engaged and excited about using the potty. I love how it clearly defines the steps that he needs to take in order to get a sticker, and he feels so accomplished once he completes all 4 steps. Color very vibrant, perfect size for the bathroom, and holds up great to small wet hands while potty training. Number 1. Ultimate Potty Training Kit. This complete kit makes potty training easier than ever before. It includes everything you need to help your son learn to use the potty quickly and confidently. Our best-selling audio guide provides simple, step-by-step instructions. Listen in the car, at home, or wherever is convenient for you. These colorful, laminated charts help make potty training fun. Use the stickers to track progress and celebrate successes. The Potty Time Watch encourages your child to take charge of their potty needs. It helps them learn to recognize and communicate when they need to go. The included certificate provides a special reward for completing potty training. Celebrate your child's achievement. Access the guide in ebook format on your device or listen to the audio version. Choose what works best for your family. What we like? It offers a comprehensive approach with an audio guide, a potty watch to help your child learn to self-regulate, and a reward chart. If you're looking for a structured and effective method, this kit is for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.